Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to add your region on Instagram using your PC with the latest update. Personalizing your profile has never been easier, so let's get started. First, you'll want to visit your Instagram account by opening your web browser and logging in. Once you're on your feed, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Click on it to head over to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to make some changes. Find and tap the Edit Profile button. This is where all the magic happens. In the Edit Profile section, look for the Bio option. Click on it to open up the text field where you can share a bit more about yourself. This is where you'll type in your region. Feel free to get creative. You can mention your city, state, or country. Adding your location can help connect you with others in your area and makes your profile more engaging. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Submit button. And just like that, you've successfully added your region to your Instagram bio. Remember, having your region in your bio can help you connect with like-minded individuals and create a stronger community. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Happy Instagramming!